just happened? Is it an earthquake? And why is hill moving? And what is the orange thing? This is volcano, and it just erupted. The orange one is lava that just blew from the eruption. I never seen it before. This never happened in my life. This is my first time witness this situation. Do you want to learn more about volcano? Yes, I want to learn more about it. So, let's explore volcanoes together. Volcanoes are majestic natural wonders that captivate our imagination and shape the landscape around us. At the end of the lesson, people should be able to identify volcanoes, describe the eruption, list different parts of volcano, and prepare for volcanic events. A volcano is a mountain that can erupt with lava, ash, and gases from inside the earth. Eruption. Inside the earth, there are hot, melted rocks called magma. When pressure builds up, the magma pushes its way to the surface, causing an eruption. There are several parts of a volcano: crater, seal, magma chamber, cone, conduit, lava flow, ash cloud. Preparation of volcanic events. Volcanic eruptions can be dangerous, but with proper preparation, we can stay safe. And here's how. 1. Stay informed. 2. Emergency plan. 3. Emergency kit. And last, evacuation routes. Now, it's experiment time! Our experiment for today is how to make a volcano. Our experiment for today is how to make. Step 1. Prepare tools and ingredients needed, such as vinegar and baking soda, orange food coloring, a plastic cup and dropper, and plastic tray. Step 2. Mix a cup of vinegar and a spoonful or 2 of baking soda. Add some red and yellow food coloring. Note, you can also make the body of the volcano out of clay or plaster. Step 3. Set everything on a plastic tray and get ready to experiment. Pour the mixture into the bucket. Step back and watch the eruption. The reaction will produce carbon dioxide gas, creating a bubbly, lava-like flow.